Hey guys, I just want to say shout out to racerknight99. If you guys haven't really noticed, I was trying to make the season and I accidentally deleted my file season. So guys, I'm going to continue Angry Birds Classic. I already have the videos. Well, I've already had some videos posted. But anyways, yeah. I want to say shout out to racerknight99. Thank you for accepting my request on the Flight Reacts Rage video. I just want to say. But anyways, shout out to racerknight99. I hope you have a great day. I love your reaction videos. Your reaction videos are good and all that. So,